Hello and welcome to this episode of the Land Rover. In this one I going to start clearing the electrical debacle mess, trying to figure out where everything is going and route it where it should be going. I'm not going to use these headlamps because I can't. They are put too close together and it's too far from the outside, well, the side of the car. Since this one is going to run on the paper of the chassis, it's from 1976. I'm not, I can't have the headlights in here, so I'll put two headlights on the bumper. So yeah, I'm going to start fiddling with the electrical. It might take a few episodes. But I'm going to start. It's the only big job left to do before I can actually drive the car. So let's tackle the electrical. Tackle the electrical. Tech electrical. Yeah. So there is written on each wire where it's supposed to go. Left low beam, we have tachometer, left low beam, left, I have two left low beams, that's great. Yeah, so we'll see where everything goes. Left front signal, that should be an important one as well. And we have alt excitor. Left front signal. These are actually up into the instrument cluster. This long white one, doom light. Yeah. So to get some idea or to get a little help, I got this cup of coffee and I got this electrical instruction sheets, and I'm going to read through this, figure it out, and yeah, it's a Speedway electrical wiring kit. So shouldn't be any problem. We got all the support I need and coffee, liquid gold. It says here, run the light green headlight, high beam, light green, and I was looking in this pile, and the light green is this one. And as you can see here, it says, to the front, blah, blah, blah. You will have to splice this wire, so you can run it to both headlights. No, I don't. You already did that for me. So this one says right and this one says left. So that's the light green. The tan, same here. I think this is the tan one. It says right low, upside down here, and I see if I can find the left low beam. So they already did that. That's cool. Yeah, so I will keep reading. So I have here the right position and indicator, right high and low beam, horn. And here I have the left park indicator, left high and low beam. The tachometer wire is here, and I have a few. I have these. These two red ones are power to the fuse box over there, and I have to read what this is. Well, what these two are. Alt excitor I have no idea. And I can't read what this one says. So I have to read along in this paper. But yeah, front lights are all there. So pink 3A. Run the pink ignition feed 3A wired to either the battery side of the GM HEI. That's what I got there. Blah 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 da, 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 da. Okay, pink 3A. This is pink. This says 5-5 coil position, coil postamusatus. I have no idea. But I found inside the car a pink one running. This one is supposed to run to this ignition switch thingy. And that says 3A30, I have no idea, ignition switch coil. And I thought, coil? And this one also says coil. I will measure over them and see, yes, there is connection between this one inside here and this one. So this number 55 is 3A. Yay, but it's pink. This one actually is dark blue, according to the papers. Dark blue to the oil pressure sending unit, but I got a non-electrical, so yeah, I will save this for later. So yeah, it's a bit of reading to do, actually. No problem so far. I figured it out. So I will run this pink one to this one, the red one on the HEI distributor. This one I've used for, this is split, so when put 12 volt or positive on this one, it runs the ignition and it runs the fuel pump. And here is the starter. So yeah, I will just cut this, solder in this pink one and wrap it in shrink wrap, not in electrical tape. So yeah, figuring stuff out. But it's, yeah, this is not 3A. But anyway, I will keep on reading. Oh yeah. Well, this is fun. The main supplier of power, here it is, 2A, from the battery connector of the starter solenoid. So this one, well, this one goes to the starter motor, but the complete system needs power, and it's this one, 2A, red 12 volt battery on the printing. So what do you think it says? Do you think I find a 2A that said 12 volt battery? No, there's no such cable among all of these. So the biggest red one, which I guess it is here, and that one says, wait for it. We'll just find, here we go. I think you can see, but I think it says 52 solenoid power. 52, not 2A. Solenoid power. So if I read this one correctly, it says starter solenoid. So solenoid power should be this one that says 2A. And I gotta find this one going from the same stud here, the battery stud, to the alternator. Easy to make if I can't find it, so yeah, great instructions. Well, yeah, I'm going in for dinner now. This fun episode will continue soon, so I will make a series of very short films about this, and when it's all ready I might make a longer one with the most important stuff. So yeah, right now it looks good, but I got it all under control. I think I just went through all these and they are quite straightforward, so there's a few question marks, but yeah, thank you for watching. See you on the next one.